Hey there, it's your friend Christine, and I wanted to take you on a little virtual wildflower walk with me that I just completed in my trip to California last week. And while I do that, I want to tell you about a class that you can access when you purchase the Art Bundles for Good. So that's a program I'm in that goes live twice a year for just 5 days. And it includes 105 classes by 80 artists, including my class on mushrooms. So I'm going to take this opportunity to share with you a bit about my class and then tell you more about the Art Bundles for Good program. So in both the spring and the autumn, when the temperatures are warmer and when there's still a bit of moisture in the air and in the soil, you get fabulous fungi that are blooming in the forests and meadows. No matter where you live in the world, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, low elevation, high elevation, you get a variety of mushrooms that bloom or germinate either in the spring or the fall. So in my course that you get when you purchase the Art Bundles for Good, it's called Discover, Sketch, and Paint Mushrooms. So the discovery part is that I teach you about the characteristics of mushrooms, about their diversity around the world, about their unity, how to identify them. Now, I'm not a mycologist, so I don't guarantee that I can teach you how to identify edible ones or poisonous ones, but I will help you to get a little bit farther down the road to understanding the characteristics you need to know. And so in my class, you do have lots of helpful handouts, including this one called Characteristics to Notice When Observing Mushrooms. And so, again, I said my course is called Discover, Sketch, and Paint Mushrooms. So I teach you the basics of sketching, and we do 3 different workshops where I teach you about 3 different mushrooms and in 3 different techniques. So one workshop I teach you about is on morel mushrooms. Now those do happen to be edible, but there are mushrooms that look very much like them that are not edible. Anyway, I teach you how to do them in this amazing graphite or charcoal, that is, pencil drawing. And then I also teach you how to sketch jelly fungi, and that's really fun because they're super 3-dimensional. And then I teach you how to sketch and paint amanita mushrooms. Now you may have participated in one of my mushroom workshops before as part of my courses, or maybe during the Spooky Nature Week during Halloween. That's when we learned about this one. But in my course, I go into a lot more depth. And there are other handouts, including a fun coloring page for yourself or the kids you know in your life that also teach you about some of the other basic types of mushrooms. There's also a handout on making spore prints. And so spore prints are basically when the spores or reproductive structures fall out of the mushroom cap through the gills, and they fall on a piece of paper, and you can make a beautiful print, and I teach you how to do that. Now, of course, a lot of identifying mushrooms has to do with understanding their parts, and so I've made you this handy handout on the parts of a mushroom that you can actually learn and also share with kids to sketch. And so, yeah. Where was I here? Oh yes, of course, as usual, I give you lots of downloadable images of various species around the world for you to continue practice sketching. So that's my mushroom sketching course. And of course, you get full access to it. You can get that as part of the Art Bundles for Good. So let me just describe to you about that a little bit. So the Art Bundles for Good is a program that I participate in twice a year, and it's called Art Bundles because it's a bundle of 105 classes by 80 instructors that specialize in teaching online, like me. Instructors from all over the world, and they have a variety of different subjects they teach, although I'm the only one that's teaching about mushrooms. But you'll be learning about how to do landscapes, flowers, trees, pets, and you'll also be learning a different media. So some classes are watercolors or colored pencils, or acrylics, some are even collage or mixed media, and then a lot of different, what would you say, like styles. So of course I specialize in a really realistic style, like here's another mushroom I teach you about in the class. So some people focus on a really realistic style. Some are more symbolic or more mystical, or more abstract. So anyway, the Art Bundles for Good is a great way to learn a lot of different styles from a lot of different teachers. And it's only $99 for all 105 classes. And of course, there's a money-back guarantee. The value is estimated at $5,000 for all 105 classes. So a lot of these classes would sell for $99 or more just alone. But we've all donated a class to this program because we want to help support charity. And so let me tell you a bit about the charity. Every year it's a different charity, and 25% of the proceeds go to that. And they've raised over several $100,000, I believe, for these various charities over the years. And this year the charity is called the Uganda Partnership, and it helps women in the country of Uganda in Africa, specifically women that have been widowed from the AIDS pandemic or epidemic. And of course, a lot of those people are even in worse dire straits now because of the U.S. government having cut off all USAID aid to some of those programs. So they need us now more than ever. And this charity that's getting 25% of the proceeds from the Art Bundles for Good, what they specifically are doing is giving micro grants to these women that have been widowed to help them start businesses, even businesses where like they buy chickens and then they can sell the eggs. So it's a really wonderful program, and I'm really proud to be part of this. Again, all of us 80 artists have donated an art project to this program. So yeah, anyway, I hope you'll check out the links. I believe I have them above and below to check out the Art Bundles for Good. This is only on sale and available through tomorrow night, May 5th at midnight, New York City time, I believe. So I hope you check it out. And if you have any questions, you can just contact me and I'll answer those questions. And a lot more of your questions and FAQs are answered on the website at the Art Bundles for Good. Again, so check out those links, and I'd be happy to see you inside the class and teach you more about discovering, sketching, and painting mushrooms. Well, thanks for going on this virtual wildflower walk with me. I did want to tell you that an extra bonus I'm going to have is on wildflowers, sketching those and discovering those. And yes, we are looking at a mama bear and her 2 cubs. And that's from Sequoia National Park, which is another place I recently visited. So I hope to see you inside the Art Bundles for Good and my mushroom sketching class, and an extra bonus you'll get is my wildflower sketching mini class. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.